everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to cook the classic Italian carbonara. And these are the main ingredients: bacon, pepper, parsley, pasta, Parmesan cheese, garlic, and eggs. So let's start! So we begin with boiling water with salt. Then we're gonna throw in the pasta. Don't break the spaghetti even if they don't fit in the pan. The best way is to hold them in a bunch vertically and immense. Stir slowly and they will pan out in all directions. And as they soften, will sink and cook just perfect. You can save some pasta water for later if your carbonara is a little dry. Meanwhile, in a large skillet over medium heat, add a small amount of oil, then add the garlics. Stir in the garlics until fragrant. Then fry the bacons with garlics and cook until crispy. You can pick out and discard the garlic from the pan if you want after, but for me, I leave it there. Just lower the heat while we're gonna prepare our egg mixture. In a bowl, beat eggs together with dried parsley, black pepper, and the Parmesan cheese. Mix most of the cheese with the eggs, keeping some extra cheese for sprinkling over later. Our pancetta bacon is crispy and our pasta is already al dente. Off the heat, then put in the hot pasta in the pan with the bacons. Toss it until coated in bacon fat. Now quickly pour in the egg mixture to the pasta. Toss it well, and the pan will help to cook the egg gently. You can add a splash of pasta water if you think your carbonara is a little dry. Adding pasta water will turn it lovely and glossy. I didn't put mine because I think it's fine. And just a tip, if you're making a different version of carbonara, never throw the eggs directly to the pan, as they will overcook and you'll find yourself with scrambled eggs. You can add extra Parmessan cheese while still mixing your pasta. If the dish does get a little dry before serving, splash in some more pasta water and the glossy sauciness will be revived. Put in a plate and serve immediately. Sprinkle it with the remaining cheese and dried parsley before serving. I added more pancetta or bacons because I love bacons. And here is our classic Italian carbonara. This is true version of carbonara, no cream, onions, chicken, and mushrooms, or whatever so-called Italian restaurants serve in other countries. So guys, I hope you'll follow this recipe and I hope you like it. And if you like our video today, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you'll get notified to my more amazing video recipes. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.